In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use inventory reports, tracking, maintaining, and more in QuickBooks Online. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and head to the All Apps section. From there, click Inventory and then select Inventory again to open the main inventory page. This is where you can view the products you've already added to your system, and it gives you a central place to monitor key item details. Once you're on this page, you'll see a list of your inventory products along with useful information connected to each one. Depending on how your account is set up and how you're using inventory tracking, you may see details such as the cost of each item, the sales price, and, if applicable, the quantity currently on hand. This view is helpful because it gives you a quick snapshot of your inventory without needing to open each product one by one. You can also use this area to manage your inventory items, so if you need to review what's been entered, confirm pricing information, or simply keep your product list organized, this is the place to do it. Keeping this section up to date can make your reporting much more accurate, so it's worth taking a moment to review the information shown here before generating any reports. When you're ready to run an inventory report, go to the top right corner of the inventory screen and click More. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there select Run Report. This will open the report related to your inventory data, giving you a more focused view that can help with tracking and maintenance. At the top of the report, you'll have options to customize what you're seeing. You can edit the date range to view information for a specific period, which is especially useful if you want to compare inventory over time or check records for a certain month or quarter. You can also adjust the columns included in the report, allowing you to control which details are displayed. This helps you tailor the report to match what you need to review, whether that's pricing, quantities, or other item-related information. And that's it. Once you know where to find the inventory page and how to run and customize a report, it becomes much easier to track your products and keep your records maintained inside QuickBooks Online.